Okay, hello, this is Sam from TheTwintuts, and now I'm going to be going over in our C++ lesson series the if statement, which is a very, very useful statement that is basically if this happens, like if this condition happens, do this. So a good way to show it, I think, is to have it, watch. So I have a variable, and I'll make my variable equal to. Then I type if, and then in parentheses you type your condition, like if variable is greater than 1, which it is because it's 2, then cout, like print, then you start a curly brace, and then cout, this shows up. And then end the curly brace. So it's kind of like if you're in a function, like what the curly braces define the end of the if statement. And then you can do an else if, which is, or if this happens, or if whatever's in the parentheses, if variable is less than 1, which it's not, but if it was, then we start a new bracket and say this won't show up. End it. And that's all, and then you can save it, run it, and this shows up, is the only thing that shows up. I should end the line. Just makes for nice looking output. And that is, and now if we change it actually to 0 and run it, or this won't show up, code will show because it becomes less than 0, but I guess that kind of defeats the purpose. So there's less than signs, greater than signs. When you're using an if statement, there's less than, greater than. For equals, you want to do 2 equal signs. It's kind of weird like that, but it's just something that you should do. And then you can do if it's greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, or if it's greater than. Yeah, that's good for right now. Just some things to write down. I'll have it in the description. And say this is your tutorial for if statements.